Hi! Cooking. Anong wala bang GCash number? Bakit? Why? Ano meron sa GCash number? See you! See you, Mitzi. Asa ka magtuday? Bakit may ganito yung Eden ngayon? Ano ninuluto mo? Teka. So, I am cooking spaghetti. Ayan. Spaghetti. Kasi, may pamigay yung Mandaluyong nung Pasko na mga parang spaghetti, ganyan, mga pamaskong handog, ganyan. Tapos, nakita ko kahapon, parang, ay, meron nga pala. So, nagluto na lang ako, pero simpleng ingredients lang, ano lang, yung corned beef, di ba may ganyan? Yung corned beef, tapos hotdog, tapos para ano lang, yung parang pantry, tawag dyan? Pantry spaghetti lang. Birthday ko na ba? Hindi pa. Nalito din ako eh. So, itatry natin. I miss Hannah Imbecile. Alam nyo, kaya ang dami nga nagsasabi, pinag nga ako ni Kiara tsaka ni Shay, tsaka si Arizona din, nag-comment siya sa post, na mas maganda talaga yung show na yun. Kaso sobrang nakaka-stress siya gawin. Tapos, ang gastos. Medyo na-trauma ako nung last na birthday show ko. Or maybe because parang birthday show ko siya. So, kailangan ko siyang gawin na maayos. So, may pressure for me. Tsaka ang dami kong ginagawa ngayon. Alam niyo, meron akong gustong gawin this month. Ay, next month pala sa Pride. Gusto kong mag-vlog ulit. Pero, hindi siya yung vlog na, hello guys, ganyan. Parang more on bringing you to the unglamorous life. Parang diary lang. Ganon. Parang naisip ko din, diary, video diary, tapos ko naisip sa isang video diary eh. Yung parang sa isang performance, sa isang show, lahat from preparation, from paggawa ko ng damit, from rehearsals, hanggang sa stage, kasama kayo. Pero, ang POV niya is kung ano yung nakikita ko. So, bumili na ako ng camera na maliit. So, nakikita niyo kung ano yung nakikita namin pag sa stage. Parang POV ko kung paano yung live. So parang meron kong camera dito or dito ba sa ulo. So kung nasa stage ako, nakikita niyo kung oh my god, ano yung nangyayari before ako mag-perform, ano yung nangyayari pag nasa stage, ano yung mga pinagsasabi. Tapos hindi na siya Baka hindi ko na siya sabihing unplug. Kasi parang medyo na na-outgrow ko na yon. Tapos pangalawa, gusto ko din ng isang lang kwenta lang. Parang yung parang basta. Tapos kaya medyo busy din ako this week. Kasi nga inaasikaso namin ni Ari yung Bees for Bonding, which is mag-shoot na kami. Tapos meron akong ginagawa. Penge spag. Gusto niyo ba? Wait lang, medyo na malabnaw siya. Nadamihan ko ng tubig kanina. Feeling ko na over ko yung yung si Sunil. Mine white t-shirt. Sopas na yata. Hindi pa. Naano ko lang kung paano pa lumalapot naman na siya ulit. Pag kayo ba nagsa-spaghetti, bet nyo yung mataas. Yung may condensed milk, yung mga ganon. Ako bet ko, pero wala na akong mahanap na condensed milk. Wala, tsaka kailangan ko na mag-grocery. Na-try mo na spaghetti na, guys. Parang hindi pa, be, pero willing to try. Alam niyo ba yung Mesmars and Mau sa sa Mandaluyong? Parang inasal siya. Tapos tinry ko siya kagabi. Sarap. Kanina pala. Tingnan nyo yung drag room ko. Like, dami kong... Kasi may gagawin sana akong damit. So, ito siya. Tatakpan muna natin. Obscure. Ganun sana. Yun ang gagawin ko. Nagla-live ba si Eva? Saan? No, wag na. Mag-English pa ako. Char. Parang natodo ko yung Wait lang. Hindi ko makakausap ng maayos si Eva. Nagluluto ako. Kaya naman kay Bossing. Setting yung mga plano niya this Pride month. Ito ng konting asin kasi parang kulang siya ng see you sa Lavlaban sa UP. See ya! Char. Tignan natin. Guys, super thankful ako kasi sobrang kasi madami akong ganap this sa Pride. Ay, ba't ako bumili pa ng keso? Bumili pa ng keso doon. Hi. Like, meron, meron akong sobrang excited ako nag-game. Pero, ano yun, ang hirap sabihin. Yung mga hindi pa pwede, ganyan. Ay, sorry, kung kakamayin ko na lang Walang din naman kami lang din naman kakain nito. At iba siya. Hi, Dwayne. Sarap ba to? Hindi ko kaya rin. Wala kasi akong condense eh. Pero maglagay na lang ng asukal. Pinoy spaghetti. Nas pasait nga ng spag mamaya. Teka lang. So, parang first time ko din gumamit tong spaghetti sauce na to eh. Umigay ng Mandaluyong. So, gagamitin, di ba? Parang, di ko bet yung kulay niya. Wait lang. Sarap naman. Sarap naman. Ayoko lang ng medyo malabnaw siya. So gusto ko yung makapal yung sauce. Weird food combo. Ano ba? Wait lang. Wala masyado eh. Or di ko lang siya masyadong napapansin sa akin. Masyado siyang malabnaw, ha? Wait. Masyado siyang malabnaw. Ito na yan. Tas, yun, ire-ref ko. Tapos ito, kainin ko ngayon. Ito siya, guys. Ewan ko, masyado siyang malabnaw para sa akin. Kasi sinimot ko pa kasi yung yung spaghetti sauce. Tapos sinimot ko pa siya, nilagay ko pa ng tubig. Tapos ginanon-ganon ko, nilagay ko pa dyan. Pahingi. Wait lang. Kasi ano lang to, spaghetti ng kung anong available. Wala tong mga mga beef, mga ground beef, walang ganyan. Ano lang to, corn beef. Pero carry na. Alam niyo yung spaghetti na nabibili sa karinderya? Parang ganon yung vibe. Siyempre, sobrang daming keso. Ay, wait lang. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ano ba? Ayan. Si Shawarma, sarap niya magawa ng spaghetti. Kasi, dati, nung bumibisita siya sa bahay namin, nung kasama pa kami nila Kiana, nagluluto siya ng spaghetti. Ah, fuck. With lots of cheese. Yung nakaka-irita lang yung ganitong yung... Tingnan niyo. Sana may maka-invento ng or meron bang magandang cheese grater. Kailan na to? Paano nag-i-interrupt eh? Yung may ganito. Wait lang. Ay! Guys, nagbenta pala ako ng isang araw ng mga wig. Most of it, mga galing kay Ari. Hi, Joanna. Ito na. Ay, napuputol. May gingobi. Hindi ko memorize yun. My spaghetti has sauce. Ganyan. Ay, putik. Sold out naman. Ano sold out? Ano meron bakit spaghetti food niyo? Wala, kasi nakita ko lang siya dito. Pamigay na relief goods ng Mandaluyong ng Pasko. Tapos, sayang naman. Ayan. Siyempre, hindi natin uubusin yung cheese. Try ito gawin bukas, sino sa likod. Cheesy omelette. So, ito siya. Let's eat na. Ay, dumula. Ito yung kakainin ko. That's it. Puro cheese. Takpan natin. Tapos, dito lang ako kakain sa drag room. Kasi ang dilim dun eh. Ay, basta na lang sa sala. Pero palubat kasi ako. Ayan. Di ba nag-tripod pa ako para sa live na to. Ay, putik. Ayan. Itadakimasu. Paano ba to? Ay, hindi. Ayan.
Every step she took was calm and composed. When the office staff saw Elle, they'd assumed she was the new intern, and seeing how frightened she was dressed, they could not help making sarcastic remarks. But to their surprise, the congresswoman came over warmly the very next moment, and even kindly greeted Boozer. The two of them had met before, and
Itong sobrang kalat ng bahay.
had a very favorable impression of her, perhaps because she saw something about
But let's eat.
Seeing how close the two of them were, the co-workers' attitude softened a little as well, with their reminders. Elle also noticed her dull and lifeless desk, which had no personality at all, so she began decorating herself with a pink computer, a pink tablecloth.
Ayan.
Everything was pink, and pink is her armor, and it is also her confidence. No matter what kind of environment she is in,
Ito na.
change her style just to meet other people's
Let's
expectations.
eat.
The co-workers around her watched
Di ko mauubos. Sobrang dami.
and some could not help quietly laughing at her. Elle ignored their stares and simply admired her own little space with satisfaction. After they got to know one another a little better, she shared the news that she was getting married.
Ayan.
Somehow, the conversation gradually became
Ah.
two co-workers suddenly started arguing.
Kayo po ba nagluto? Opo.
But no one paid attention to her. As the argument was getting more and more heated, she suddenly started singing. The office instantly fell silent, and everyone felt confused. But it did successfully.
Spaghetti.
To ease the tension,
Alam niyo yun?
Elle took out a cup and asked everyone to write one sentence praising another person, then put it into the cup and share them with each other. Then she randomly drew one out.
Spaghetti.
The co-workers who had just been flashing moments earlier actually seemed to feel a little better. But then came the next note.
Masarap naman.
The office froze once again. Elle felt a little disappointed.
When ka balik CDO? Di ko pa alam. Baka mga
Praising her co-workers who lively up the mood. However,
January, July.
she was once again mistaken for an intern, so she decided to take the initiative. But bright and lively at
Mas masarap yan with
along
Coke.
with her cheerful and outgoing personality,
No, mas masarap siya pag juice.
Grace, another assistant, deliberately put Elle on the spot in front of everyone when she was completely unprepared. The whole room went quiet, and everyone looked at the
Sino dito mga ano?
Elle took a deep
Feel ko na overcook ko yung sauce.
push forward the issue of animal testing.
Kasi parang
Some people leaned toward one another and whispered, while others looked troubled. After listening with a frown, the committee chairman sharply scolded her and told her not to attend.
or OA sa
A
cheese.
slight smile rose at the corner of Grace's mouth.
Hindi ko na malasahan yung...
Someone whose plan had worked.
Alam niyo yun, parang may spaghetti sauce siya.
When she returned to the hotel,
Hindi ko na malasahan yung
already lost the confidence and spirit she had at the beginning.
pagka tomatoey.
There was a package for her.
There's something, all right?
And inside was a simple sentence gave Elle tremendous comfort. She could not help complaining to the doorman about what she had been
Nakakapag-spaghetti na ito lang birthday. Totoo, di ba?
He understood this world extremely well.
May ganyan talaga.
Elle went to work as
Dati nakapag-spaghetti lang kami kasi pag birthday, ganyan.
took the initiative to share her thoughts and spoke up with a coworker who was being pushed aside. Faced with
Wala nga tong giniling.
she only looked back at her helplessly because she was being isolated.
Wala siyang giniling.
The walk user.
Corn beef ang nilagay ko. Kasi nakita ko sa TikTok.
In casual conversation,
Feel ko di ko bet yung yung spaghetti sauce na bigay ng Mandaluyong. Di ko na lang i-reveal kung ano yon.
and knew the people and events inside Congress like the back of his hand. He pointed out toward a clear path. Over the next few weeks, Elle buried herself in stacks of books. She looked through every relevant legal statute.
Pero masarap pa rin.
System of the cosmetics industry.
Inano nila sarili, no?
Position every single legislator. Even when she was walking Bruiser, she was still writing and sketching things in her notebook. More than that, the old doorman became her strategist, giving her
Ayun,
pieces
yun
of
na.
insider advice
Yun ang masarap.
from a time when most people
Saan yung banda?
Elle began studying Libby's every move, including but not limited to the shoes on her feet and the hair on her head.
Happy eating.
A round of observation.
Sarap corn. Parang hindi din kasi masarap yung nabili kong corn beef. Ay, masarap naman siya kasi
Exactly the same curve, which had to be the work of a top hairstylist.
masarap yung corn beef
She checked
na nabili ko.
10 hair salons within a
Ewan.
10-mile radius of Libby's home, zoomed in on every storefront sign on Google Maps, and after comparing the style of each stylist one by one, she finally identified a small hidden salon tucked inside a residential neighborhood. That afternoon, Elle appeared to
Hello?
visit by coincidence. Congresswoman Libby was a little surprised to see
Ma'am, binlock ako nito rin sa TikTok.
making small talk.
Pagtanggol mo ko.
And like an ordinary customer,
Support me, yo, baby Jag. Bakit kasi ang pang pinagko-comment-comment mo, ano bang ginawa mo? Baka may iba kang sinabi. Or,
then suddenly, Elle noticed
nang sa spam ka kasi,
symbol of Delta Nu. She almost cried out, then took a deep breath
huwag ka mang spam.
her voice came.
When's the last time you ordered yellow tea with
Hana all my spaghetti. Kaunta, kain tayo.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ayan na.
When the hairstylist and the other customers, the two of them began doing the hair
Gusto niyo ba ng sauce reveal? Tapos try niyo kung, comment kayo kung na-try niyo na. May ilaw ako actually. Ah!
after listening patiently to Elle's reason for coming.
Masyadong malakas. Ayoko kasi mag-ilaw.
At that point, things finally began to turn around. The next day,
Masyadong malakas yung ilaw, day.
walking the car,
Wag na, parang ano lang.
man who was going around
Para mukhang
for a piece of paper,
video call.
he was hurrying along, and only Elle stopped to help him out of his urgent situation. After that, Elle was about to leave, but she noticed that Boozer and
Gusto niya ng spaghetti sauce reveal?
with a clear attachment, almost unwilling to part. Only after a checkup at the pet hospital did they find out that both dogs were in heat.
Bisaya ka ba, ma? Oo.
Elle and the man looked at each other, then burst out laughing at the same time. After
Yung next week, meron akong gig. Sobrang
finally properly
exciting.
the man introduced himself and said that his name was Stan Marks.
Ngit lang.
He was a congressman. Elle could not help wondering
Starts with letter F ba yung sauce?
she had casually pushing the bill forward. With the help of those two people, the date for the hearing was finally set. When the news reached the office, the co-workers who had once mocked Elle were completely stunned. Grace,
You wanna see it? Ito siya. Ewan ko kung baka nasarap to para sa inyo or baka meron lang akong namali sa timpla ko. Sarap ba to? Bigay ito ng ano eh.
and praised her, saying she was not some pretty woman who only knew how to wear heels
Bigay ng Mandaluyong nga. Thank you, Mandaluyong.
people did not have.
Actually, I didn't do it wrong. The entire team was really a group effort. Good work, guys. Really good work.
Bigay ito ng Mandaluyong. Tinry ko lang.
Isolated her felt a little ashamed, and at the same time, a little moved. On the day of the hearing, Elle walked into the chamber wearing a pink suit and carrying Boozer in her arms. The bill was named the Boozer Bill, and its purpose was to ban animal testing for cosmetics. Elle felt a little excited, and a little nervous too, but the moment the first legislators spoke,
Carry lang naman
hopes
siya.
were shattered.
Ah, sige, sige, Mitsubi. Okay, alam, ay meron pala ako naisip na content. Balik na akong YouTube. lahat ng mga nasa Dali, alam niyo yung Dali na convenience store? Lahat ng mga nasa Dali, tas yung kapareho niya, kunyari yung Yakult versus Baka Cult. Tapos, compare ko sila. Tapos, gano'n siya kalapit sa pareho. So, nakakaaliw magdali.
Elle nodded, but her heart still felt heavy. She was not afraid of waiting for years. She was afraid that those animals would.
Hoy, Lemon! Hi!
When she returned to the hotel, the old doorman handed her a stack of letters. People had heard about
Tapos, di ba merong ano pa bang pareho sa Dali?
more than 100 letters
Nag,
come from all across the country, and every single one of them was a.
feeling ko parang
So it turned out that
mas food influencer ako. As in, like, kasi mahilig ako kumain. Parang, willing ako itry lahat. Show us your tattoos. Dalawa lang. Kung dadagdagan ko siya, baka sa Pride. Ito, Lady Gaga. Ano kasi to? Parang, tawag niyan, hand poke. Kung kilala niyo si Haina, kung kilala niyo si Bethany Talbot, yung jowa niya, friend namin yon. Parang super friendly, parang friend, oo. Tapos, siya yung unang nagtattoo sa akin. Tapos pangalawa, eto, dun sa, kasi nanalo ko na Miss Congeniality, yung corona, pinagaya ko lang. Tapos, ayan, yun lang. Tapos meron akong isang dadagdag. Sino or ano ang dream collab?
He was still proud of Leslie. To him, so-called cosmetics
Dream collab?
could not compare to the life of an animal. In that instant, one legislator
Ano ba?
stood up and
Sa video? Or sa performance?
Victoria suddenly walked in.
Oh, oy, Jorizo, may tattoo ka. Alam ko yun. Ay. Nag-aksaya ka pa ng part ng katawan.
The chamber erupted in shock. Victoria was the official sponsor of the bill, and if she withdrew her support, the bill could not pass.
Alam mo yung magkakilala kong may tattoo siya sa titi na Elmo.
Not even dare look Elle in the eyes, knowing that Greg
Alam niyo yun?
belonged with her. She pushed all the blame on
May tattoo siya sa titi na Elmo.
those who used the bruiser
Tapos, nung tumigas,
to withdraw the bill. The brand new Thunder campaign next year, when I heard that, all she could do was leave in complete disappointment. She stood in front of the Lincoln Memorial and murmured to herself, unsure whether the courage she had gathered to do all this had really been the right thing. Then suddenly, a sound of footsteps
alam,
came through the
hindi na ba na-gets?
around and saw her coworker standing in the moonlight, holding a copy of the full script of paper.
Nagkakilala ko, may tattoo siya sa titi. Nakalagay, Elmo. Tapos nung tumigas, naging El Filibusterismo.
As Elle looked at them, she gradually found the confidence she had lost. It was only 218 signatures, and she knew she could do it. The next day, when Victoria walked into the office, she found that aside from Grace, everyone else was gone. Stan Marks and Hauser had jointly launched a petition, but apart from the two of them, no one else was willing to sign it. Congress only had 3 weeks left before recess, and with just a few people in the office, there was no way they could lobby the many legislators. Just when
Tapos may friend din ako, may tattoo siya sa titi
best friends came
na nakalagay, uy!
sky, they used every trick they
Tapos nung tumigas, uy lang.
Inspired by their energy, the stiff and grim legislators gradually began to Victoria learned what was happening. She began to strike back, using her connections.
Hindi mo get? Sige, ulitin ko.
Individually, the sun suddenly changed their minds.
May friend ako.
Person who gave a clear answer. She had thought the meeting would end better.
Wait, gusto mo ng
The other side,
wait lang ah.
concession. Victoria said that she had used her connections Not only had the brand agreed to release all the animals in that laboratory, they had also invited Elle to serve as counsel for the company's legal department. Along with a large sum of money, Elle fell silent.
Hindi to siya, tawag niyan, hindi to original na joke. Pero, narinig ko lang. Maya na, wait lang. Huwag mo na kaya tumingin.
Elle suddenly understood something. The person who had been secretly standing in her way all along was not Grace, but Victoria. Grace had only been a piece used to divert attention. She turned around and went back to Victoria's office, questioning why she had betrayed her. Victoria no longer tried to hide it, and said bluntly that in politics, only interest...
Okay, ready?
But I do believe in it, and I'm going to take Bridget's go for that.
Wait
I
lang.
don't believe what we tell them to believe. It will never work out. You can't get the people. Here.
After Elle returned, she
Ayan. Ayan. Meron akong friend na may tattoo siya sa tite na nakalagay Elmo. Tapos nung tinigasan siya, naging El Filibusterismo.
Elle saw her boyfriend in the crowd.
Ganyan lang siya. Elmo lang siya talaga. Tapos,
And the next day was National Education Day, when all legislators would have to attend meetings. They had no time to deal with the bill. This now had no idea what to do. Grace called her, seeing Elle right everywhere for the sake of what she loved. Now she had already
Jose Rizal is so proud.
still wanted to take one more chance and hope that Elle would succeed. Using Victoria's bandage sequence as leverage, Grace secured Elle
Visual aids.
the National Education Day meeting.
Elmo nga. Elmo, ayun na.
And facing the densely packed crowd of legislators below, it was impossible for her not to be nervous. But after a brief self-introduction, she decisively abandoned the speech there before.
I never changed.
Elle's voice trembled slightly, but she kept trying to hold herself steady. She did not talk about the bill itself, but instead began talking about her hair.
Elf, I want to die. Elmo, maganda kong friend.
Her voice gradually became
Game,
steady.
lalo maganda siya ang mga puppet.
No idea where she was going with it, and all of them
Tapos,
looked at her with puzzled expressions.
Now I know better. I know that one honest place can be louder than another.
wait lang.
I know that if we lose our voice, what we are doing
Each ball spaghetti. Mga meron kasi itong side effects ng spaghetti eh. Yung fiesta! Mandaluyong. Spaghetti.
She did not mention Bruiser's case even once, but when she stepped down from the podium, the applause went on and on. All 218 people, including Victoria, signed their names. The Bruiser bill passed. All the animals that had been kept inside the laboratory, including Bruiser's mother, were released. The mother and son were reunited through the summer, seeing each other and rolling around on the grass. In the end, Elle held them back to Washington. There was no snowy scenery from Greenland, and no extravagant venue, only the lawn in front of the house. A group of guests dressed in every kind of bright color, wearing that wedding dress without the finishing
Okay na?
Elle walked toward Hattie's one step under the sunlight. Although her skirt was not as structured as she had once worn, it floated lightly with her steps, looking exactly like the free version of herself at that moment. It turns out that some shapes do not need to be forced into existence. This
wrong.
with the wind is already the most beautiful fan-shaped ball.
Sinipon ako.
It may not be as deeply as the first one, but in certain moments, it still leaves a lasting mark on us. Just like the Molyneux stood on the steps of the Capitol in their pink surrounded by a sea of black.
Hindi kasi, naalala ko yung unang komento ko sa akin.
In that moment, there was a kind of
Ewan ko kung kanino galing tong original na joke na to. Parang kay Pitit ata.
gentle without being weak. She was simply wearing her favorite color, holding the little dog she loved most, and charging straight into that gray world. Then tearing open a bright pink crack and sheer
Gaga kasi meron tong ano.
Solutions can be a kind of courage, and softness can also be a kind of strength. Maybe we do not have to become Elle Woods, but at the
Wala naman siyang ano.
next time someone laughs
Side
at us from
effects.
out of place, we can think of her, straighten our backs, keep wearing the colors we love, and keep doing the things we believe in. Our recap can never replace the original film.
Meron ba kayong ganung moment? Meron nga kami dalawa ni Ari.
The next one.
Sa isang base for bonding yon na tawa kami ng tawa, di kami matapos. Kasi, ewan ko parang, napagod na siguro kami kasi parang gabi na yon. So, di kami matapos matawa. Fiva. Hi, Fiva. Fiva, meron ka bang tattoo sa tite na Elmo?
You should watch at least once in a lifetime. If you are going through the darkest moment of your life and do not know what to do, you really need to watch this.
Sige, mag-ano tayo?
Beauty pageant champion who caused
Um,
a sensation across the United States.
Sino yung mga Elmo and sino yung mga El Filibusteris mo?
Wasted her best years and became a single mother.
Ha?
Raising 3 young children.
I-comment kayo. Kung for me, sino yung Elmo tsaka sino yung El Filibusteris mo. I-rate natin.
Aaron searched for work every
Comment kayo ng mga tao.
because she lacked sufficient work experience.
Plus,
No company was willing
feeling
to
ko.
hire her, and each rejection left her even more lost. Although the weight of life
Si Fiva, for me si Fiva.
she still used her last $100 to buy a fried
Kung
chicken meal for the
sa-
children. One day,
Kung sa El Filibusteris mo, si Fia feeling ko mga
that ran a red light, enduring severe pain in her neck. She
mga
still
El Filibu.
determined to
Ay, hindi.
fight for the compensation she
Feel ko mga El
The
Filibu.
lawsuit that should have been an easy win was completely lost because
Si Enchong, feeling ko mga El Filibusteris mo! Sige pa, sino pa? Sige na pa, kami ka ng mga tao. I-rate natin. From Elmo to El Filibusterismo. Go! Yan. Comment kayo ng mga tao.
she stormed out of the courtroom in anger, blaming
Dali,
the
puro
alcohol
haha.
lawyer, facing medical debt from her injuries and 3 young children to care for. She was on the verge of collapse.
Si Precious.
What no one could have imagined was that this unfair lawsuit would completely change
Feeling ko,
her destiny.
wait lang, kantayin
As soon as
natin.
she got home,
Tara na, best go, go, go.
children as usual.
Sana todo natin to. Yun na muna. Yun na muna. Feel ko. Sige, ganun. Feeling ko si River. Si Precious mga
She went to the law firm that had represented her before.
El Filibus.
Getting herself a job. When the boss learned what was happening, he looked completely confused and tried to persuade
Si Arizona. Ito. Si Mare. Nung tinry ko, na sumagad naman dito. So, try natin. Para El Filibuster. Feel ko si Ari, El Filibuster.
facing this young
Abutin dito.
battered by life again and again. The boss softened and decided to keep her. Aaron was already deeply grateful. He just hadn't finished the job. They did not immediately get to work. Instead, she
Go,
walked
sino
straight
pa?
to the boss's office and asked for an advance on a month's salary. The boss could only sign helplessly and pay out of his own
Jeremiah
pocket
Lisbo.
for living expenses.
Jeremiah Lisbo.
Aaron's personality was not limited to job hunting alone.
Why may nag-comment si Miss Wadaw, si Miss for me, I think,
And the occasional harsh language. Female colleagues at the
sequel.
firm often talked about her behind her back.
Naiya Black. Sige, Naiya Black.
In the
Feel ko
face of
Naiya
this
Black.
solution, she did not complain about fate, but but chose to keep her head down and
Sa
work
mga
hard.
hanggang mata
Her
yun.
boss kindly reminded her to pay attention to
Ano
her
to?
style of dress.
El Filibust.
Back without holding
El Filibust! Naiya, congrats your El Filibust or baka El Filibusterismo ka.
The boss was left speechless by her response and could only turn around and walk away. But even in his dreams, the boss would never have imagined that this seemingly tough and
Sino
stubborn
pa?
single mother would one day bring him enormous wealth late at night. Just
Sino
after
pa?
Aaron had put the children to
Si
sleep,
Odasha.
she heard a loud buzzing
Si
sound
Sister.
When she opened the door, she
Wait
discovered
lang,
several
i-remember ko lang,
drivers tuning their motorcycles. It turned out that George was a new neighbor who wanted to introduce himself, but Aaron angrily demanded that he stop the noise. At the same
El
time,
Filibu. Sakto lang
she
siya.
admired Mary's courage and asked her for her contact information.
Si Vinyas. Si Vinyas. Wait. Gawin na lang natin. Mrs. Ay, ganyan. Mrs. Ito na. Kita mo na. Waging na walang iba. Mrs. El Filibusteri. Si Mrs.
Slammed the door and went back inside. One day after work, she went to the babysitter's house to pick up the children, only to find the doors and windows locked and no one inside. Panicking, she rushed home to check and discovered that the children were playing in a neighbor's house.
Sige.
It turned out the babysitter had an
Sino
emergency
pa?
and privately handed the children
Si
over.
Kiana.
This irresponsible behavior made Aaron
What's
furious.
up, mga Kiana?
George stayed on his own and took careful care of the children. She had assumed George was rough and careless, but instead he turned out to love kids, patiently playing with them until they fell asleep one by one. After learning about
El
Aaron's
Filibusterismo. May space pa.
he was willing to help take care of the children.
So, kay Kiana is El Filibusterismo with space.
Aaron was touched by this sudden kindness, but years of hardship made her
Ganyan yan.
instinctively cautious, expressing gratitude while carefully reminding him to keep his distance.
Kiana, imo. Si Kiana kasi, ay oo nga. Si Kiana kasi, hindi El mo yung sa kanya eh. Kasi Bisaya siya.
One day while organizing
Emo.
real estate dispute,
Ambot sa emo.
she
Tapos,
accidentally
magiging,
noticed some
El Filibusterismo with space.
These documents, which had nothing to do with the lawsuit, left her deeply confused.
Dito sila tanog AA video. Oh my God! Nanonood ako ng movie recaps kanina.
The colleague mocked her and said she was not cut out for this line of work. After all, Aaron's appearance was far too eye-catching. But
Si
she did not
Eva.
let that discourage her,
Eva.
and instead decided to speak directly with the client, only to uncover a shocking case. Through her conversation
Dati,
with the client,
si Eva, ano lang
she
siya.
learned that both Donna and her
L.
husband were suffering from cancer.
Tapos di ba nagpadagdag siya, nagparitaw ka siya ng tite na sa YouTube na. Naging El Filibusterismo. Ano na punit? Naging El Filibusterismo. Dati L lang yun eh. Inin lang siya dati. Tapos nung napadagdag siya. El Filibusterismo. Part 1.
That the wastewater discharged by the power company contained large amounts of chromium. To convince the public that the substance was harmless, the company not only provided residents with free annual health checks,
Si Maxi.
but also generously covered their
Maxi.
medical expenses. But behind the apparent goodwill, Aaron
Halika.
was suffering a sense of
Yan lang. I-remember ko lang na.
consulted a chemistry
Halika na,
professor and
halika
learned
na.
that chromium exists in three forms. Pure chromium is beneficial to the
Sundan
human body.
lang
Trivalent chromium is
ang
large and
aking
harmless,
hakwang.
but the most dangerous is hexavalent chromium.
Parang ganun yung...
Multiple cancers, damage human DNA, and
Ganyan.
even affect future generations. These words send a chill to Aaron, and the situation
Ganyan.
is clearly far more serious than she had imagined. Determined to
Tama
find
na.
which type of chromium the
Okay na.
was using, she made a special trip to the records room. where
Si
the
Hada.
statue of
Oh, sorry.
was stolen.
Yung akin kasi ano lang.
Aaron's striking appearance, the young
Ah.
became completely distracted and allowed her to freely search through the files.
Yung akin,
After carefully digging through the records,
El Filibusterismo pero meron siyang
client was using hexavalent chromium
quotation
to
mark.
back up the evidence. And
Sa simula,
the boss,
quotation mark pa siya.
the law firm full of confidence, she discovered that her workstation had been cleared out.
Char lang. Huwag na. Huwag na tayong mag-ano. Sawa. Huwag na tayo magbastos-bastos. Iri.
Dragging her exhausted body home, she was greeted by stacks of unpaid bills,
Isma.
pressing down on her like an invisible weight.
Ima.
The next day, Aaron was busy searching for work when the boss suddenly showed up. It turned out the boss had received
Nabuhay na naman El Filibusteris.
was illegally using hexavalent chromium.
Mommy, ano masasabi mo sa ating economy? Oh my God, ang hirap naman yan.
After Aaron explained everything she had uncovered, the
Ooh.
boss immediately sensed a huge opportunity and wanted to see the evidence she held.
The economy is very good. And the economy is very big. And the bank is very nice. I'll get back to you on it. I'll look on that. I'll give you an update. Happy Pride. Ano ang El Filibusterismo? Ang El Filibusterismo po ay sukatan ng haba. Sukatan. Sukatan siya kung paano tayo nalipustahan ng mga Kastila dati. Mahaba. Ang mahabang pagtitiis ng mga Pilipino sa paghihirap na binigay ng mga Kastila. Sukatan, haba. At ito ay isang biro. Biro na binigay sa atin. Char lang. Kaya ako. Naumay na ako sa spaghetti ko. Guys, I'm craving for some vape. Kasi naubos na yung vape ko. Okay na, tama na yung El Filibusterismo na yan.
Not only was the man arrogant, he flatly denied that Donna's family's illnesses had anything to do with the power.
Nandito kayong dalawa. When po ang next sale ng mga items? Let's see! Kaya ako nabenta kasi ang dami na talaga, oh. Naanuhan pa yan siya. Diba, nabenta na pa yung iba. Taas yung mga ibang Okay na guys. Thank you sa pagsama niyo sa akin na kumain. Bye.